Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will do the mechanism in A2Plus Workbench. We will do this assembly and we will see the mechanism. I can show you the mechanism here. So you can see that how cylinder and piston is moving. I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So let's start our tutorial. I will close this file and I will create a new file, and first I will give the name to my file. And now we will call our first part. Click on add part, and first part we will insert is a stand. So now you can see that stand position is something awkward. So now I will click on the transform and I will rotate it and click on isometric. Now we will insert our second part, and we will insert second part is a wheel. Now I will use the transform tool. Okay, now switch to the isometric. Now I will select this edge and this edge and apply the edge constraint. Select accept. Now we will insert our third part. So third part will be the piston. Sorry, first before the piston we will insert the cylinder. Click on add, click on cylinder, and now we will fix the position of our cylinder with the help of a transform tool. So click on the transform, rotate our cylinder, click on top view, and now move the cylinder to the approximate position. Keep this arrow to the edge and now click OK. Now click on the right view and click on the transform and move it so that this arrow should be pointing to the center. Okay, and now click on the cylinder. If you wanted to change the position precisely, then here on the placement options you will get the coordinate value of x, y and z. For example, z I wanted to make 0, and by changing the value you can move the cylinder with respect to x and y, but I am fine with the position. Now I will click on the fixed position is a false and I will make it true, and now I will switch to the isometric view. Now we will insert the pin. and I will select this edge and this edge on the wheel and give the edge constraint, and from here I will use the flip directions. Click on accept. Now select this edge and click on move the selected part under constraint, and I can move it. Like this. Now we will insert the piston. So click on add part and click on the piston, say open. Now place it. Now we will use the transform tool. So we will select the piston and click on the transform. Now we will rotate our piston. Now select on the front view, transform. Now click on the isometric. Now select this surface of a piston and this surface and apply the axial constant constraint. Click on accept, and now select the outer surface of a piston and inner surface of a cylinder and apply the axial coincident constraint. And now we will do one more thing. We will click on our cylinder and we will change the transparency. Go to appearances and change transparency level to the 85 and go to the shape color and give the color. So now you can see that our cylinder is transparent. And now we will switch to the right view. Click on this edge and click on the move under constraint, and now you can see that we have made the mechanism assembly in FreeCAD with the help of A2Plus Workbench. So this is all about the mechanism assembly in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.